Hello.
Hello.
Quarantine in China? I got you, fam. No worries. We're gonna play League of Legends today. Chinese version. This is a follow-up to my earlier videos about the internet is slow in China because of the VPN. What's amazing about League of Legends China is that they have many servers. One of the servers is actually closing down. My character at that particular server is not that high because I haven't been playing League of Legends in a while, but I've just received a notification that it will be closing down. So this is a great opportunity for me to show you guys how to sign up for League of Legends in China. So here we have League of Legends installed. You have to install the Chinese League of Legends. Yes, and it's gonna load up soon. You'll be tempted to click on WeChat right here, but do not do that. Those are just temptation. Even though you go to WeChat, they'll prompt you to QQ. Like I said earlier, you have to download QQ, sign up using your phone number. Currently, I am using Mrs. Blue Pants account because I forgot my username as stated from the previous video. I want to type in my password. Oh, they removed the server already. Well, I have no idea what it says. We're gonna pick the coolest one. I have no idea. Let's look at the one with the coolest picture. I guess the Baron was the coolest picture. That looks pretty popular. Okay, we're gonna click on that. Have to make a new account again. And I was looking over the demonetization about YouTube, how video can get monetized. So this is a great opportunity for me to name my new character Demonetized. So yeah, here's the new character, new account. Well, technically not a new account, but new sub account, named Demonetized. Should I do demonetized or demonetized?
I don't know, you only got one chance.
That's good. Alright, we are in. So, it's as simple as that. As long as you sign up for QQ, that's how you sign up for League of Legends. Type in your QQ user account, QQ password, and make your character. I've heard some servers are actually for pro players and etc. like that, but I'm not really sure. Currently, right now, the game is starting up. Of course, I have to go through the whole tutorial again. Luckily, I didn't spend any right points to buy skins, but I did have some nice randomized skin earlier, and it's such a shame that I have to start all over again. But I've heard that some server actually has more pros compared to other server, so I have to do more research on that. And another tip is that I would recommend you go to your local. Oh look, the voice acting is actually in Chinese as well. But I think for the pentakill, triple kill, etc., it's going to be in English. And some voice acting will be in English as well, but most of the voice acting will be in Chinese. But besides the point, if you do have trouble in the settings, because I know some people are very picky with their settings, I would recommend going to your local internet cafe and have them help you with your settings, or ask your Chinese friend to help you translate some of the settings. And if you don't have that luxury, you can always go back to the American settings. They do have the similar outline, and you can actually just copy off that. So you shouldn't worry much about that. But yeah, that's how you sign up for League of Legends in China and how you can get started in League of Legends in China. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Hope you find this information useful. And if you have any questions or concerns, hop in the comments below. If you guys are interested in playing League of Legends with me, just add me.
How do you know which fire is which? My head hurts when I see that.
Do that.
Okay. Oh, who is that?
This is her first time playing League of Legends.